Hello, hello, my amazing creative friends. Oksancia here again. Today I wanted to talk to you about your progress that you're making, and it is much more important than any one particular design that you're working on, or even your particular pattern collection or a technique that you're learning. And why is this an important topic to discuss? We get so much stuck thinking that, oh my goodness, I need to make this one design as perfect as possible. However, perfect, first of all, does not exist. Everything is relative. And the point is, the longer you get yourself stuck in one particular design, the longer you're not trying things, you're not experimenting, you're not showing that design to people, that they will give you feedback, what is good about it and what you need to improve. My point is, your progress that you're making, your growth as a designer is much more important to you right now than one particular pattern or even the few patterns that you are designing this week or even this month. I am not saying not to design. I am saying to be brave, and if you are stuck, let it go for a little bit, try a different exercise, try a different experience, and come back to your original design so that you can see it with a fresh eyes. The process, the flow of your design is much more important. I want you to focus on the flow, and I want you to feel and give yourself permission to embrace that your designs are not perfect right now. I get a lot of comments and emails from my viewers, from my audience, asking me that I do not like the designs, the quality of the designs that I'm creating. Of course, as beginners, we all create things that do not compare right away favorably to the designs that we see the professional designers make. They have spent on it 20 years, they have spent on it 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. It took them a long time. So do not expect your designs to be perfect, even in your own eyes. But you know what? They might have something good in it that is worth developing. But you might not see it because you're stuck on something that is not good. I am encouraging you to embrace the imperfection of your designs at the stage that you're in and keep going, keep practicing, keep improving, showing your designs to people, and you will see the feedback. You will see what starts selling. You will see what people react to better. I want you to focus on the flow and on your progress instead of focusing on imperfections of your designs as they are right now. All right, you guys, this is my tip for you today. I want you to feel relieved that your progress is more important right now than any one particular design or style or a technique. All right, you guys, so please tell me in the comments, do you resonate with this? Tell me, yes, I do, in the comments, or maybe you don't. Explain why you don't resonate with this also in the comments, and we will get our discussion started. All right, you guys, please like this video if you liked it, share it with a friend who really needs to hear this message today, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to the pattern vibe, as well as please download my free workbook that I created for you that teaches you how to grow your repeat pattern portfolio 15 times faster at least. And I've gotten so much good feedback about this ebook that I really want you to give it a shot today and implement the tips that are inside starting right now. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the very next one. Grow, love, and create. Bye!